Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you is Pure Dating app is safe? So let's get started. So let's open the Pure Dating app. So basically, this is a dating app that uh, you uses. Basically, this is for like the young peoples. So all dating apps are not safe because there's a major reason because you can't trust anyone in like people. Okay, so if you see here in here it looks like genuine, but you when you open your Google Play Store and read for the review, it will like it's very bad. So it depends on you person to person. If you see here, as you can see, like it's like a Tinder. I got Tinder, but you have to pay for everything. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.